Hi everybody, Brian from Prairie Gardens Jeffrey Alans here. That last video we did, who knows what happened? Nothing was sounding right, I guess. So let's just do this all over again. So today we're going to talk about our design center and our handmade designs that we create right here in Central Illinois just for you guys, and how they coordinate with our tree themes, our accent themes, and our whole holiday story that we create for you guys. So let's talk from the big showstoppers that you want to impress all your neighbors with to the sizes that fit in everybody's home. And it all starts with that welcoming presence at your front door. And you'll see this beautiful wreath. That's where we shine. You can't find things like this anywhere. I've had customers over the years come back after moving away and say, oh my gosh, I got to get my wreath at Prairie Gardens Jeffrey Alans, and I have to run down to UPS so I can ship it because we just can't find this anywhere. But that's just kind of fun. That makes us feel really good that we're doing things that you can't find anywhere else. And we always have good promotions, but what's exciting, every now and then you come across these little treasures. And these treasures, they don't last long. They might be here today, they might be gone tomorrow. But it's very exciting. Not quite a one-of-a-kind, but you won't find a lot of these. And as always, there will always be traditional colors that never go out of style, like we said about the tree, timeless and classic. But it might have a little modern update with some of the accessories to give it some new life. But you can save these forever. You can add on to this collection just like you do your trees. And then another collection that never goes out of style. It's kind of where we live. It's that casual, you can call it country, you can call it garden, you can call it rustic. It's really nature oriented. And look at some of this. Look at these big bells. Now, they clank a little bit, but they won't keep you up at night. But it's that long, elongated swag. They're becoming so popular. They're so versatile. You can put them on both sides of the front door, both sides of the garage door or the fireplace, or it fits in like a lot of those little skinny areas that you wish you had something that you just don't know what to do, and it comes in all sizes. This is one of the largest. You'll find small ones as well. And then you have the coordinating centerpieces. And look how it goes with our textiles. And wait a minute, who's this little guy here? Do I have to say anything? I don't think so. You know there's always room for a bird. But even these little pieces, the same thought goes into these as the great big elaborate pieces. And these make great hostess gifts, great Secret Santa gifts, or just in that little corner where you need a little pop. And look at this little handsome guy sitting next to that arrangement. Doesn't he look sharp? But it shows how our accents, and our arrangements, our trees, they all go together in these groups. And our buyers, they work pretty darn hard coming up with these looks. And every year, they don't let us down. And again, we talked about this when we were talking about trees. Winter, it's all about Christmas. Winter is a season too. So some of these snowy looks, you can leave out in January. You don't have to put them away because you're not ready for tulips yet. But we always have something for every season throughout the whole year. It's not just Christmas. So come spring, come summer, come fall, you'll find beautiful designs. Because then again, we're thanking you, as always, for letting us into your home so we can add some smiles, some styles, and some sparkle into your holiday home. Thank you oh so much. And until next time, Merry Christmas.